Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to delete unused app in order to free up space on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone's home screen right here. Click on your search from the top right here. And then what you need to do is to simply type in file, and you have two options right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on files right here. So click on files right here. That's going to take you to all file manager on your phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to apps. Then you have all apps in your app section right here. Now we can simply click on unused apps. So it's going to refine and show you some of the unused app that you have on your phone. So right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see quite a lot of unused app. As you can see right here, this depends on how you have them on your phone. Now for you to delete any one right here, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then click on app info. Then you can simply come to the storage and cache. Make sure you clear cache and clear storage. Click on delete, then go back, then click on uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Click on uninstall. So it's as simple as that. You can go on and uninstall as many as possible app from your Android phone. So this one right here, I'm going to go to app info, and I'll make sure I go to storage. I'll make sure I remove all the system file, and then click on delete and go back. Then I'll click on uninstall. So I was able to save another 75 megabytes. So you can go on and uninstall as many as possible in order to free up space and have enough of storage space on your Android phone. So I'm going to simply clear the storage here again and click on delete. Then I was able to save some space here, and I'll click on uninstall this app. Then I was able to save another 36.7 megabytes. So you can go on and remove some of unused apps you have on your Android phone in order to free up space. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.